Welcome back to Ai Streetz. Today we're going to work in Canva. Today I'm going to show you how to create images in Canva AI program. Okay, I am here. I'm going to create a design. Create a design. Let me see. I go to custom size. I'll have mine in inch, and I will choose 12 by 12, like I always do. 12 by 12, and here is our design. Okay, and then I'll go down here in Canva, down here, and here are the apps, and I'll go to discover and I'll type in magic media right here, magic media, and then you will have this right here. Okay, we'll click on magic media. Right here is the AI program of Canva. You see here you can do images and you can do videos. So now we're going to talk about the images. Here you can fill out a word like a prompt in here, and then you can generate it. Okay, when you look down here you will see the different styles. Here is none, here is filmic, here is watercolor, here is photo, dreamy, anime. Okay, let's go down. And here are the aspect ratios. Right now, I'm on the 12 by 12. That means I'm on the 1 by 1. Like how big you want your image to be, like your sheet, how you want it to be. You can change it to landscape also. You have portrait, or you have all these three here, right here. Okay, after you put in your prompt in here, you will be able to generate your image. And down here, you will see the amount of credits that you have. If you have the free programs, you will get like 29 credits, I think. But when you have Canva Pro, you will have like 400 something, almost 500 credits to use. Okay, so let's go check the styles. We go to see all. We have here photo, vibrant, minimalistic, neon, and all of them right in here, playful, retro wave, all of them right in here. Okay, right in here. So let's go back here. So like if I choose the none, with the none, let me tell you, with the none you can create like realistic images, like photos, like real people. Okay, then you have filmic, you have all these other ones here. You have anime. Your images will look like anime. Okay, let me see. And then let's go to all of them. See all. Here you have playful, more like cartoonish. Okay, cartoonish. For children's books and all that. Here retro wave, just like this color is. I don't really like the 3D, but the 3D I don't really like them. You have concept art. It's also so nice. Psychedelic, all of them gradient, dreamy, anime, like I showed you. Yeah, and stained glass. Stained glass is also so nice. Okay, pencil, color pencil, ink print. Yeah, black and white. You have all of them in here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we're going to practice on some of them. I have a class where I teach you how to use this very effectively, and I will leave the link below. You can check it out. Let's see. Let's do a none. Let's say a cute pit bull dog on a pink pillow, hot balloons, Valentine vibes. Let me put vibes, Valentine vibes. Let's see how it's gonna be. We keep it on none, and then we're gonna generate it. And every time you generate, you will get 4 images. And every time you generate, you will use 1 credit. Okay. So let's see how this will be. Okay, it's coming in. Okay, because we have it on none, that's why our images come like realistic images. Okay, let's set it as background. You see that? That's very cute for a realistic image. I love it. Okay, every time you select an image and put it on here, um it will upload in your uploads. Let's go to uploads. You see the images are here. Okay, let's go back to our apps, and here and here. You see that? So every time you use the none, it will come out like realistic. because you didn't add any style to it. So it will come more realistic out for you. Okay. And sometimes it can be very funny with people. For, let's say this same one, I say a cute. Um, let's say a cute. Let's say put Chubby like a cute puppy dog, a cute Chubby, and then generate it. Let's see how it will be. Okay. In this case, it came out cartoonish. Let's see these two other ones. Okay, it came out cartoonish. I think because I put Chibi in it, because Chibi doesn't really exist in real life, like real people. It came out cartoonish, but it's still cute. You can still create a card with it, create a card to send for someone, and you go to your text and say happy, happy. I use only happy, and then Valentine. Okay, let's put this one here and this one here. There we go. We change Valentine. The things I think it's called great vibes. Let me see. Yeah, great vibe. And you can change your colors if you want them in pink, like a color that you love, like colors that you love. You can come to effect and add effect to it. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. You come here and play with your colors to see what you like, what will work. It's up to you. You see, you create a cute a post like for social media or to send to someone. Cute Valentine, simple with the AI of Canva. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go back to apps and media, and we're still with the dogs. Okay, let's choose something else. Okay, a beautiful African American, come on, woman dressed in, I love jeans, dressed in jeans, dressed in jeans, Converse, walking down the street. Let's see, what Converse, carrying a purse, walking down the street. So I will put in everything that I want. Walking down the street, let's say beautiful wavy hair, beautiful wavy hair. Oh, beautiful wavy hair and smiling. And let's run it. Let's see what how it would be. Generate. Okay, here we have her. Look at her. I love her. Let me click on this one. She came out nice. Let's see. Set as background image. Canva is not there yet, but we can still create things in Canva. Her hands is a little bit mismatched and stuff. This one doesn't work. Let's see this one right here. Yeah, her hands is a little bit. Canva is not there yet with real people, okay? Because we have it on none, okay? For instance, let's see all. If we put it on playful and generate it again, we will have, let's see what we will have, like a playful one, like a cartoonish one, but it's very cute. You can use it for anything. You can use it for cards, for printing on notebooks and all that. You see that? Look at that. You can even use it for merchandise. Look at how cute this lady is. So this is playful. This is just the how can I say it? This is just when you use like plain words and all that. But in my class, I will show you how to use like the very advanced word to use to get wholesome images. Let me show you. You see images like this. Look how beautiful she is. Go here. You see that? Very good images. In my class, I will show you, I will teach you how to create like these images. They come out really well. You see that? These cute images. In my class, I will teach you how to do all of them. Like design like this. You see how beautiful they are. In my class, I will teach you how to do all of them. You see that? Beautiful designs. I will teach you how to create like this. You see how beautiful these are? These are useful. You can use them. In my class, I will teach you how to create images like these. All the prompts to use, like the proper prompts. Look, you see this? Look how wholesome this one is. And when you look at this one, you see how this one is not perfect. It's rumbled up and stuff. But in my class, I will teach you how to create, like, you see, everything came out so well. But it's the same style. Look at this. The same style. But I have the proper words to put in to show you. So if you're interested, you can sign up for my class. I have the link below, and you can learn how to use Canva Pro that you pay for every month to create images that you can use. Okay, images that you can use, even coloring pages, different kind of coloring pages. This one, like this one, you see clean lines, and you have also realistic one and all that. All these kind of ladies, I'll show you how to create them right here. Animals, how to do animals. You see these, all of these I will teach you how to create in my class. Yeah, all these I have the prompts, and you can learn how to create them, especially these ones. If you're creating like a children's book, you can create animals like these, different kind of animals to put in your book or to put in your story. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're interested. I will leave the link below. And this class is when you take it, you will learn a lot. Okay, so don't sleep on it. Thank you so much for watching, and go try it out. Okay, go try it out and see what you can do. But with my class, you will be there.